So do get them, but when they are on sale. You're glowing from within. It just melts into your skin. It is hydrating, but it does not feel greasy. Hello Linda, welcome back to my channel. I missed the last 2 or 1 upload. Yeah, I'm so sorry about that. Oops, the bra strap. I was on a mini break. I went to Delhi and then I also visited Nainital. You know, this vacation was very much needed, and that's why I always tell you guys to follow me on Instagram, because that's where I give you guys all these updates. So yeah, I'm so sorry about missing in action, but I'm back for good and I have no plans to travel anywhere, not anytime soon. I guess that's good. Now listen, I don't know about you guys, but until and unless you are someone who's super rich or an influencer who gets products sent to you every single month, I don't know how the hell can one try so many items that launches in the market. Because for me, I barely get any PR, and all the products that I show in my video and talk about in my video are all purchased by me. And listen, mama's got priorities, okay? I cannot be spending my money left, right and center getting every new launch. I need to be a little wiser with my money. So that's why I may not be able to give you guys reviews on all the new launches, but I do try my best to get my hands on things that excites me, because I feel like I'm a very normal consumer just like you guys. Any new product launch that excites me, that I think might work for me, is what I end up getting. So yeah, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys all the products that I've been loving, and you guys might already be familiar with these products because I have mentioned it in a couple of my videos. So in case if you guys want to know what those products are, then please continue watching. So the first product that I'm going to be talking about in this video is actually an eyebrow pencil. So this one is the Etude House Drawing Eyebrow Pencil in the shade dark brown, and I love this eyebrow pencil. It is not one of those eyebrow pencils that has a very fine tip to it like the Benefit Precisely My Brow. It has a tip like the Benefit Goof Proof, but Benefit eyebrow pencils are really expensive. I have used it in the past and I really enjoy them, but they are very expensive, and I tend to go through eyebrow products very quickly because I'm not blessed in that department and I need help. So even when I have no makeup on, I need to have my eyebrows on. That's how insecure I am about my eyebrows. Keeping all of that aside, I have been really enjoying this eyebrow pencil. I'm not into those nicely drawn and fully carved eyebrows anymore. I just like to fill in the sparse areas of my eyebrows. I love the formulation of this. I love how it's not neither too waxy or it's not too hard. The formulation of the actual pencil itself is really great. I also love the shade on this one. Plus it is also very affordable as well. It has the product on one end and it also has a spoolie on the other end, makes it really easy to use, because whenever I'm doing my eyebrows I like to, you know, spoolie them out. So that's when the spoolie comes really handy. So I really like that. I've been using it for the past, I would say, 3 months now, and I still have so much product left. In case if you are someone who's just looking for an eyebrow product to fill in their eyebrows, not looking for a lot of precision work, then this is the eyebrow pencil that you need to go for. This is such a wonderful eyebrow pencil. So the next product that I've been really enjoying is a base product, and it's this one by Wet n Wild. It's that tinted hydrator in the shade light medium. I have made a dedicated review on this tinted hydrator, so I'm not gonna go too in detail about it. Whenever I'm heading out the door or whenever I'm going out to run errands, or I just want to look a little bit put together, that's when I like to use this. I also like to use this as a primer because it's got a little bit of a grippy feel to it. So that's why I really like using this underneath my foundation, and it works really well. It is amazing. It is great. It is affordable. Sadly, the shade range is a little shitty, not gonna lie, but in case if you do end up finding your shade in this, then do give it a try because you're not gonna be disappointed. I even took this with me to my Delhi trip and I had very limited makeup ka saman with me. That tells you how much I love this product. I personally myself have oily skin and it wears beautifully throughout the day. So in case if you are someone from dry skin to combination to oily combination, this is gonna work for you. Okay, so the next product that I'm going to be talking about is also a makeup product, and it's something that I recently got, and ever since I got it I cannot stop using it. That's how much I love it. So it's this concealer by ELF. It's their hydrating camo concealer and I have it in the shade light beige. I heard so many good reviews about this hydrating concealer when it launched overseas, and when it recently launched in India, I was super excited. The minute I found out that this has launched on Nykaa, I placed an order and oh my word, let me tell you, this is my new favorite concealer. I am not someone who's into applying foundation on a daily basis, although it may look otherwise. Most of the times I rely on concealer just to, you know, spot conceal and conceal my under eyes and all of that. So for me to fall in love with a concealer is actually a really big deal, and I absolutely love this concealer. The coverage on this is great. It is hydrating, but it does not feel greasy. It does not crease on me. It wears really well throughout the day. It basically does the same thing as the ELF Camo Concealer, the matte variant, but it's just that this is a lot more hydrating. In case if you're someone who didn't like the matte variant in this concealer, you can definitely give this one a try. I honestly love this more than the matte variant. I'm almost done with my matte one, and I don't think so that I'm going to be repurchasing that concealer, because this concealer is definitely replacing that. This is one of those concealers that I will definitely repurchase even if I run out of it. That's how much I like it, and that's how much I know that I'll continue using it. So in case if you are looking for a new concealer to invest in, this is the one that you need. Okay, so the next product that I'm going to be talking about is also by ELF Cosmetics, and it's this bad boy. It's their Bite Size Duo. So this is basically a duo in which you get both a blush and a highlighter. First of all, how cute and how adorable is this palette? Because of the size of it, it is extremely travel friendly. It is the blush that I have on my face right now. It gives me a nice flush of peachiness to my cheeks, which I absolutely love. Whenever I do end up getting a palette, I do like some shades and I don't end up liking the other shade. But for this one, I like both the highlighter and the blush formulation as well. The highlighter also I really love. It's not one of those highlighters which is super chunky. It's very finely milled. There's no glitter particles in it whatsoever. It just melts into your skin. I have applied this on top of another highlighter, which I'm going to be talking about in a second. But can you see the glow? Oh my god. And it's also the highlighter that I have on my body. It comes in multiple shades, so in case if you are someone who is more on the deeper skin tone, you'll definitely find a shade for you. This one is in the shade White Peach. If you are someone who is into peach blushes, you need to get it. And don't go on the size of this, because this bad boy performs, because it packs a punch. It has really nice pigmentation, blends like a dream. There's no kickback whatsoever, and for the price, I don't know how ELF does it, because it is very affordable. ELF always runs discount on Nykaa, so you don't even have to pay like full price for this. I remember I paid like 300 bucks for this. It's already very cheap. So yeah, definitely give this palette a try by ELF. I am not someone who's into cream products, because I have an oily skin type, and cream products, they can be a little too emollient and doesn't really work for my skin type. So for me to recommend a cream product says something, okay? So the first product that I've been really enjoying is this contouring stick by Sephora. It's their Color and Sculpt stick in the shade Medium Moyen. What a stunning cream contour. I was never into those cream contours, never got the hype of it until and unless I discovered this product. It blends so effortlessly. It literally takes me seconds to blend this contour out into my skin, and it just melts into whatever base product that I have on my face. That's something that I really love about this cream contour. A lot of time when you tend to use a cream product on top of your base product, it can, you know, skip and make your base product move a little bit, but that's not the case with this one. It is amazing. I love the formulation on this one. When you initially swipe it on your face, you might feel like, oh, that's a little too dark, but then it blends out into the most stunning bronzy contour. It is a Sephora product, so it is a little expensive. If you have the budget and if you can invest in this, definitely give this product a try. And with this product, a little goes a very long way. You do not need a lot. Highly recommend this cream contour in case if you're looking for one. Product that I'm going to be talking about is a highlighter that I applied underneath the ELF one. So it's this highlighter by Ilana. It is their Celestial Pop Cream Highlighter Plus Luminizer, and this one one is in the shade Moon Pop, I believe. I'm not really sure. I'm gonna leave it on the screen for you guys. Wow, such a stunning liquid highlighter, you guys. I love using this as an overall primer to give me an overall glow to my face. Love mixing this with my foundation as well. And plus I also love using this just like an highlighter, which is what I did today. It gives such a pretty glow to your face. I'm not even kidding you guys. It will genuinely make it look like you're glowing from within. Although I'm very upset by the size of it and by how pricey this product is, but you need a little bit just because, you know, it's expensive, or just because I'm not okay with the size of this bad boy. I don't think so that should stop me from recommending this to you guys, because it's an amazing product. And if a product is amazing, I can look past the price tag and also the size of the product. So I would recommend working in sections in case if you plan to get this, because it does set really fast, and once it's set, it will not budge throughout the day, which I absolutely love. I would highly recommend you guys trying this out. I actually have an eyeshadow, and it's these ones by Sephora. It's their colorful special effect liquid eyeshadow. I have it in 2 shades actually. What shade is this? I don't know. How come there's no shade mentioned in here? These are those one and done kind of eyeshadow that you just apply all over your lid, blend out using your fingers or a brush, call it a day. And this is the only eyeshadow that I carried with me for my 2-week Delhi trip. So this product first applies as a liquid, and then it dries down to a matte finish. Then it stays put the entire day. It does not budge, it does not move, it does not crease. I don't know why people are not aware and not talking about how good these are, but they are really stunning. You guys must have seen me using this in my past videos, and that's how much I love it. Like, I've literally put them to test, and not only these eyeshadows, but all the products that I'm talking about in this video, I have put them to test, and that's when I'm recommending it to you guys. So this is one of those products, and I absolutely love this one. Cannot stop raving about it. Will not stop raving about it. I want people to know about how good these are. Definitely look into these. Wait for a Sephora sale. That's when you can get it for like $500, because I remember paying like $550 each. I never pay full price for my makeup product, or any product for that matter. I love sales, and yeah, I'm not ashamed to say that. So do get them, but when they are on sale. We have 2 more products and we'll be done. So the next product that I'm going to be talking about is actually the lipstick that I'm wearing, and it's this one by Nykaa. It's their all day matte liquid lipstick in the shade Super Mom. I do not have a lip shade like this in my collection. Just to test out the formula, I picked one shade, and I'm really happy that I did, because I love the formulation on this one. It is one of those liquid lipsticks that is really long wearing but doesn't feel dry on your lip. The shade range in this is a little disappointing, I'm not gonna lie. I would have preferred a lot more nude shade. Nykaa, in case if you're watching this video, please launch some nude shades in this, because your girl loves me some nude. This is the color that you need in your life, and it is one of those shades that will suit pretty much all the skin tones. Highly recommend you guys trying this. Last but definitely not the least, I have a body care product, and it's wow. So the last product is this one, Body Shop Body Butter in the British Rose variant. The Body Shop Body Butters, are no surprise, are the best body butters that you can find in the Indian market. I have not come across any body butter that is as moisturizing as the Body Shop one. I'm not someone who's into rose fragrances, but this rose fragrance I can get away with, because it's a very mild, like very mild rose fragrance. Look at how much I've used this. Even Digvijay has been using this body butter when I don't want to get into the jhamela of first applying a lotion and then a body oil. For those lazy days, I prefer using a body butter, and I like using a body butter that is very moisturizing. This is very moisturizing. It smells really good. It doesn't hamper with whatever fragrance that I'm putting on top of this. So I really love this body butter, in case if you are someone looking for a body butter that is very moisturizing, and if you are into rose fragrance. Even if you're not into rose fragrance, this body butter is the one for you. It is great. Okay, so there you go guys. Those were all the products that I wanted to talk to you guys about and show you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys are not mad at me for being absent. I missed you guys so much. I missed filming so much. Let me know in the comments below in case if you have tried any of these products, and also let me know what are your product favorites that you have been loving recently, because I would love to try it. Okay, so before I leave, make sure to subscribe to my channel in case if you haven't already, and help your girl out want. My goal is to reach 1000 subscribers by the end of this year. And while you guys are at it, come follow me on Instagram because that's a place where I'm active the most. I tend to give you guys a lot of updates because I can't post any updates here on YouTube. And yeah, with that you guys, I'm gonna take a leave and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye Linda. Mwah.